Matthew, what do you think of the hair transplant?
Fantastic. Love it.
And you've seen changes?
Yeah, well, of course. Way better.
And how has it affected you? Today we're going to introduce you to Matthew. He's 42 years old and 9 months ago had a hair transplant through the clinic. He had a Norwood 3/Norwood 4 pattern, and I'm going to show you his initial pre-op photographs now. As you will see, he had bitemporal thinnings, which will make him Norwood 3, but it has progressed more towards a Norwood 4 with thinning of the front part of the scalp. So 9 months later, we did a FUE, follicular unit excision procedure, 2,500 grafts to the front of the scalp. And you can see 9 months later, he's not on Propecia and is not using Rogaine. You can see an excellent result. You see it's high density. The hairline is very natural. Turn your head to your right, please. And you can see here that it's a very natural hairline and it's high density. Towards the center, please, and chin down, please. And you can see the hair here, which merges into this existing hair. And turn your head to your left, please. Chin up a bit, please. And you can see the hair here. Chin up, please. Up, up, up. Look at the camera, please. So, Matthew, what do you think of the hair transplant?
Fantastic. I love it.
And you've seen changes?
Yeah, well, of course.
Yeah.
Way better.
And how has it affected you? What do you think?
Much happier.
Have you had compliments and things like that?
People notice something's different, but they can't figure out what.
Yeah.
And I haven't told them.
Yeah. What advice would you have for somebody thinking of who's got hair loss in a manner similar to what you had in terms of doing a hair transplant and about the choice of clinic and all that?
Don't wait. Get in here quick. You're the right guy.
What about doing the hair transplant? How was your experience during the transplant and in the first 1 or 2 or 3 months afterwards?
No issues. The whole experience was worth everything.
Was it painful?
The freezing part was.
During the procedure, yeah.
Yeah, but during the procedure, no.
Yeah, and afterwards it was not so bad at all, right?
I was manageable.
Yeah. And somebody else who's doesn't know, I know you said get in here and get a hair transplant. Any other words of wisdom for?
Yeah, don't wait. Thank you, Doc.
you.